make a difference and save the climate before it's too late. We want to bring the world together because we see this as a global problem.
Hello, my name is Siv. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Clara. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hi, I'm Rasmus. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, I'm Theo. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Julia. I'm 13 years old and I'm the climate ambassador.
My name is Natalia. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Sausan. I'm 14 years old and I'm climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Aspen. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Victor. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, I'm Nana. I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Marcus. I'm 12 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
Hello, my name is Signe. I come from Denmark and I'm 13 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
I'm Emily. I'm 13 years old and I'm climate ambassador.
Hello, I'm Emma. I'm 12 years old and I'm a climate ambassador.
In Denmark, it's getting warmer and warmer. It wasn't that cold this winter, and the snow that comes every Christmas wasn't there this year. It rains a lot when it rains, and we had a long summer this year. There's drought in many countries, and the water level gets higher because the ice from North Pole and Greenland is melting.
In the last couple of years, we in Denmark have experienced more extreme weather, like floods, hurricanes, and very dry summers. Generally, a lot more changing weather than ever seen before. For an example, a couple of days ago, Copenhagen was hit by a big cloudburst. The weather or climate in the rest of the world is pretty similar to the Danish weather, just 10 times as deadly. All around the world, the sea level is rising. That is because of the warm, new climate is melting the poles.
In Denmark, we have noticed that in the last couple of years we have been getting some aggressive weather, like floodings and storms. In the summer, it has been getting hotter and hotter. But when we look at the news, it's nothing like in the rest of the world. Some places worse than others. Some countries have been hit by extreme storms and worse, and where there has been more and more pollutants in the world.
Okay. We wish to know more about the climate and how important it really is for our existence. We are very excited to do our best to help it getting better, and we are looking forward to help others do the same so that we can help people all over the world for a better and safer life.
We wish for a change in the world. We wish that children and teenagers get better at recycling and save energy.
We believe that we can build a bridge between the local and global, and together create a sustainable future to improve the condition of the earth.
We are from Denmark and we believe in making a change.